Can you please change your name? I'm sorry, what was your name?
All rise. Can you hear me? Are you muted?
I'm muted. I'm off now.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Okay.
How you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Doing pretty well, thank
You
you.
sound on the phone.
What's that?
Did you look different than you sound on the phone? Did you ever talk to people like for years and all of a sudden you meet them and you say, wow, that, because you always picture somebody when you're talking to them on the phone.
Yes, I know exactly what you mean. Yeah, when we see people, we're like, oh, that's what they look like.
Where do you work?
Right now I'm not working. I'm in seminary.
Is you going to school?
Yes, sir.
went-
Yeah, I'm in seminary. So I'm about to start up an internship at my church, and
Okay.
yeah, it's about to get a little intense.
Yeah. Yeah. Big step. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, I've been in Bible school a total some time of like 10 years now, so it's been a long ride.
Do you hear anything, Aaron?
Good
Yes,
morning.
I can hear.
Good morning.
morning. This is San Patricio County Court at Law 2. I'm Vicky Martino, the presiding judge. I am calling cause number 22-PR-14680. This is being recorded. My court reporter is here in the courtroom with me. She does not have her volume on. She's going through the volume that is on my computer, so we'll have to see how well she can hear it, because if she turns hers on, we'll have some feedback and we'll have some problems. So are you Mr. is it Warner?
Water. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Sylvia, can you hear okay?
I can hear well.
Okay, and who do you have with you, Mr. Warner?
Aaron R. Huffman, the applicant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Huffman, if I could have you raise your right hand, please, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you are about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Mr. Warner, you may proceed.
Would you state your name again for the record, please, sir?
Yes, sir. Aaron Robert Huffman.
And did you know Charles R. Huffman?
Yes, I did.
He was your father, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And he's now deceased, correct?
Yes, he is.
And he was the independent executor of this estate, that is the estate of Charles L. Huffman, who I believe was your grandfather.
Yes, sir. That's correct.
And under Charles L. Huffman's will, the successor independent executor that was supposed to serve after your father, in case of your father's death, is Amber Huffman. Is that right?
Yes, sir. That's right.
But she is also deceased, correct?
Unfortunately, yes, that's right.
And under the will, under Charles L. Huffman's will, all of his property passes to the Huffman Family Revocable Trust dated November 22nd, 1999. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
And you are now the trustee of that trust, the sole trustee of that trust, correct?
Yes, I am.
And are you asking the court to appoint you independent administrator of the Charles L. Huffman estate?
Yes, I am.
Have you ever been convicted of a felony?
No, I have not.
Do you know of any other reason why you should not be appointed independent administrator of this estate?
Not that I know of.
That's all we have, Your Honor.
Okay, based on the testimony, the court finds that it still has jurisdiction of this cause and that venue is proper. The court finds that Aaron Huffman does qualify to serve as independent executor of this estate with no bond. And the court orders such and orders that letters of administration be issued to Mr. Huffman.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Nice meeting you both. Mr.
Likewise,
Huffman,
Your Honor.
thank you. Good luck to you. And
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you.
Too.
Okay, so I don't want to end it, right?
Unmuted.
Good morning, Mr. Adams. This is San Patricio County Court at Law 2. I am Vicky Martino, calling cause number. It's waving like he can't hear me. Can you hear me?
I can, yes.
Okay. I'm calling cause number 23-PR-14964-B in the estate of Jose Angel Moreno. I have William Adams is present. And who do you have with you today, Mr. Adams?
This is the applicant, Christopher Ryan Galvan.
Good morning, Mr. Galvan.
Morning, ma'am.
Will you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you are about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Okay, Mr. Adams, you may proceed.
All right, thank you, Judge. Your name is Christopher Ryan Galvan,
Yes, sir.
and you're also known as Ryan Galvan. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And you were referred to in the will as Ryan Galvan.
Correct.
There's not another Ryan out there.
No,
Is that
sir.
right? How are you related to Jose Angel Moreno?
He's my father-in-law.
Okay. He died March 24th of this year, 2023, over in Corpus Christi. Is that correct?
That's correct.
But at the time of his death, he was a San Patricio County resident. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see if we can get you to identify his will. If usually the clerk puts it on the screen. I have a copy here beside us, Judge. How would you like me to handle that?
Hold on just a second. I'm getting to the. This is the first page of the will.
Yes,
And this is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
signature.
You recognize that as a signature?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And the date of that document is the 10th of September, 2019, correct?
Yes, sir.
He didn't make any other wills after he made this September 10th, 2019 will, did he?
No, sir.
Didn't have any other children born or adopted after he made this will, did he?
No.
And no other marriages or divorces after he made the will?
That's correct.
He didn't name any states or governments or charities in the will as beneficiaries either, did he?
No.
Named some children, grandchildren, some various pieces of property, right?
Correct.
He also nominated you to serve as the independent executor without bond. And the judge needs to make sure that you're not disqualified to serve. So you're not a convicted felon, are you?
That's correct.
And you are a Texas resident,
Yes, sir.
and you're active duty with the U.S. Army right now. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Judge, I believe that I've covered everything. The will appears to be valid and self-proved. We ask that you admit it to probate and appoint Christopher Ryan Galvan, also known as Ryan Galvan, to serve as the independent executor without bond pursuant to the terms of the will.
All right, after hearing the testimony, the court finds that it has jurisdiction and venue is proper in this court. The court further finds that the will is valid and was properly executed. The court admits the will to probate and finds that Christopher Ryan Galvan, also known as Ryan Galvan, is qualified to serve as independent executor without bond. And the court orders that letters testamentary be issued.
All right, thank you, Judge. I'll have the oath and proof of death in shortly. Is what the best way to order the letters is just talk to the clerk's office, I guess?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Judge,
Once-
thank you. Thank
Thank
you very much.
you. And Mr. Galvan, thank you for your service.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, y'all have a good day.